It can happen to anyone.
Sometimes it feels like no one cares about me or understands.
It was time for me to tell my secret because I've been so sad for so long.
Child abuse is a hidden epidemic. Every year in the United States, 3 million reports of child abuse are made, and yet we know that the actual number is at least 3 times that. Sexual abuse in particular is incredibly prevalent. As many as 1 in 4 females report a history of sexual abuse, and 1 in 7 males.
The C.A.R.E.S Institute is a special place for children who have been sexually abused, physically abused, neglected, or who are entering foster care. It's a place where these children can receive the diagnostic and treatment services that they need to have healthy and productive lives.
I got to the point where I didn't want to look at myself in the mirror, and I didn't want others to look at me either, because I felt that they thought the same way.
The physical injuries heal, the sexually transmitted diseases can be treated, but it's really the emotional wounds that need to be addressed.
Child abuse is a problem that affects all of us. Children from every socioeconomic status, children from every religious background, racial background, every neighborhood across the world. There are many forms of abuse and violence children suffer. Children suffer from sexual abuse, physical abuse, exposure to family violence, and other traumatic experiences. Most people don't realize that children are most often sexually abused. In fact, 90% of children are sexually abused by someone they know and trust.
I remember thinking, was I bad? Did I do something to deserve this? I blamed myself.
For over 20 years, Dr. Finkel and I have shared a commitment to ensure that when children suffer abuse, they have the opportunity to receive the best quality medical and mental health services to ensure their healing. We have an amazing staff here at the C.A.R.E.S Institute that help children and their parents go from the most devastating point in their lives to a place where they have gained strength and have come together as a family so that they can go on and lead healthy, happy, and very productive lives. Not only do we reach and help children and families here in the South Jersey area, but our work extends to children and families all across the world through our training activities in places like Sweden, Germany, Israel, Australia, and Canada.
A sign to let me know you're here. All of these lines are being crossed over the atmosphere.
The bottom line is that we as professionals don't own this problem. This is a societal problem. And yes, the psychologists and the doctors will do all they can to help these children, but we cannot be as effective as we need to be unless we have a partnership with you. You, the community. You as an individual.
Bad things happen to children, and we can't prevent that. But children need not suffer the rest of their lives as a result of a trauma that they suffered when they were 7, 8, 9, 12. We can offer help to ensure that they can lead a productive and healthy life. Over the past 20 years, we have helped so many children and families, but there are so many children still suffering. And we can't reach them without your help.